Tell me what you think about that hurricane out there.
It was cool.
It was cool?
Yes.
Come on now. Really? Coming from a guy wearing a onesie, you're saying a hurricane was cool?
I'm not in a onesie. I'm in jammies.
Jammies?
Yes, these are...
Well, please explain the difference.
Before bed.
Explain the difference between a jammies and a onesie for me, please.
It's not a onesie.
Whenever you got feet connected to the knee, the waist, and the top, what do we call that?
It's jammies.
We call it a onesie where I come from.
Is this jammies?
Even
Yes.
though, what's that underneath it? What do you got underneath that?
Jammies.
So let's see, unzip that. What's that? What shirt you got on
Jamie,
there?
Jamie.
I'm telling you, is that Superman? Maybe we can redeem the onesie some kind of way by wearing a Superman shirt. What do you think?
It's jammies.
I hear you, Jamie boy. Sass is going to help us today with this little preparation of our meal, our Mayan Cichlids, we caught in Okeechobee. We are up at our camp in North Florida right now. Why are we all up here together in North Florida, Sass?
Because the hurricane's coming our way and we had to come up here to escape.
Did we want to hang out with a Category 4 or 5 hurricane?
No.
No, certainly not. That's why we're up here.
I'm Superman.
There's Superman over there. If we'd have just known he was coming, we wouldn't have to worry about the hurricane at all.
He just combed his hair like Superman.
Let's cut this chicken up, Sass. Hold the camera on the chicken. You eating chicken or fish, Sass?
Chicken and fish.
Chicken and fish. Really? Let's put Zatarans on all of it. Get that Zatarans fish fry. We'll fry it all in Zatarans fish fry. Best stuff ever, don't you think? We're going to get Grandma. Grandma is the perfect one who shakes and bakes that stuff up. She is a shaker and baker. We're going to get her to mix it up for us.
After she gets the potatoes or whatever she's cooking
What kind
ready.
of potatoes she's got going there?
Don't know what she's making. Looks like she's just got some stuff in there right now.
What was her ingredients she put in there?
It looks like
She going to tell us?
milk
Butter.
and
Au gratin potatoes.
Au gratin potatoes. That sounds tasty. Just milk. Au gratin potato mix. What kind of au gratin potato mix is that? Idahoan. Idahoan? What is it? Idahoan. Ida? Who?
Idahoan.
Idahoan. We're going to cook the chicken first or the fish first?
I say fish.
Fish? So that the chicken tastes like fish?
Or the chicken first.
Chicken first, because some people are not big fish lovers like us, right? I think I hear.
Mom over there saying she's not a fish
Yeah,
lover.
we hear a chicken lover over there in the corner, who shall remain nameless throughout this video. Unless somebody asks. There's going to be people asking there's going to be questions who that is over in the corner, isn't it?
Yeah, I heard it.
Comments below. Comment down below if you want to know who that is in the corner.
Think of names.
Names.
Faceless too.
Oh, Facebook too.
Face.
You're going to like her and love her on Facebook.
Faceless.
Faceless?
Yes.
Facebookless? That could be a new website, Sass.
Sure.
All right.
It's just face.
We're going to get Grandma to shake this up, and then we're going to get these Mayan Cichlets out of here. Look at how white these fillets are. Is that some of the whitest meat you've ever seen?
It's gonna be good meat.
When's the last time we ever seen fish as white and pretty as this is?
I don't know.
We haven't. What was Grandma saying about that storm over there? What was her saying?
She said it could hit a category 4 or 5.
When it hits?
Yeah.
Oh my word.
No, they're saying
Yeah.
that it's a 5 right now. It should switch to 4, but it could hit at a 4.
Oh.
It shifted south though.
We have got to do some praying for that area, don't we, Seth?
Yes, we do.
All those people down there. Look in the thing there, Seth. Can we get Grandma? Back it off so we can get Grandma.
I don't want
We
to
gotta
get in the
get
picture.
Grandma working hard over there. Grandma's working hard for the money.
Making our chicken for us.
Yes.
Tell me that's not gonna look good.
The only person better at chicken cooking is she's looking washing her hands on her. Look, she's washing her hands right on her fish, Sass. Sass, look. Look at this, Sass. Sass, see all the soap bubbles? Look. That's Grandma just washed her hands on our darn fish. Soap, Grandma, clean hands, fishy, tasting like soap.
What is she
trying to
doing?
make she's trying to make a comedy show out of this, isn't she? She
Yes.
is just, yeah. This ain't no comedy. This is serious stuff here, Sass. Here. Look, now we gotta wash the fish. I was trying to demonstrate how good this fish and clean and wholesome it was. Apparently for some people, yeah.
Apparently,
it's
it's
like
now
Dawn.
soapy fish.
She actually washed it in Dawn. And that even gets ducks clean after oil spills.
Oh no!
So we know this fish is going to be good and clean. We'll never get
If it makes ducks clean, it can make fish clean.
Hopefully the Zatarans will get rid of the soap flavoring.
But it'll make our fish taste like a little soapy, won't it?
It'll whiten our teeth and freshen our breath.
Yes, it will.
All right, here's another pack. What's this pack? See how this meat? This is bluegill meat. That's a little bit darker.
A little darker than the other fish.
Yeah, hold it back so we get some light on it a little bit here. See how the bluegill's a little darker? That's all right though.
At least
We're gonna eat it all.
it's gonna taste good.
It's gonna be delicious.
I haven't had fish in a long time. Oil on the
All right,
pan.
get the vegetable oil. Hold it back here so we put a little. What we got? This
We got-
great value. Where does great value come from? Walmart.
We got all this from Walmart except the fish and chicken.
Yeah, that didn't come from Walmart, did it?
The fish come from this man here.
She caught more than I did.
You caught
Grandma
more,
certainly did.
Grandma. You caught more than he did.
Sure.
Grandma's the Mayan Cichlid
Put
catching queen.
Oil. How many did you catch?
Literally that weekend, that week I think we caught over 100 together.
Woo!
You need to watch the video.
I am.
Watch the video and you'll see how many we actually did catch.
We put in some vegetable oil from Walmart.
Great value vegetable oil, right?
Great value vegetable oil from Walmart.
You know why they call it great value?
Because it's great.
Yes.
And it's got a good value.
It's great and it's got a good value. What we got to do now is get that up the temperature. Let that grease get hot. Turn this thing around here. Wait till we hear that grease start crackling a little bit. We'll get that chicken on. Because Grandma's, see what you said, look in the camera? She like spun the old red fish strong, salt strong. These are great guys right here.
Salt strong men.
Salt strong, when they were established?
East 215 USA.
Yes, Winter Haven, Florida.
Florida's the place to be.
Except for during hurricanes.
Except for hurricanes. You don't want to be there.
When they're coming to get you.
Yep.
And then we find somewhere else to go, don't we?
Right. What we doing now?
Now we're going to see if that grease is about ready for some of this chicken.
That looks like good chicken.
Well, that's because it's fish.
Oh my god.
That's the chicken.
That's the chicken.
I messed up.
Yes, the reason that looks like good chicken is because it's not. The reason that looks like chicken is because it is.
Mix up.
Okay.
Chicken lover.
Grab that chicken over there. Let's start putting it in there. I think it's getting ready.
Here, I'll hold the camera.
Fried chicken. Do we need more grease? I like a lot more grease.
Why don't you
That
put
should
a
be
little more
plenty. That should
on?
be enough though. Let's lay this in there. Ready?
First chicken up.
Chicken up.
Update on the chicken.
Update on the chicken.
Looking more brown. That one's looking browner as it gets.
Yeah, that one's got to be done right there. Don't you think?
The one looks like the Chick-fil-A chicken.
It looks like a Chick-fil-A one, doesn't it?
Yep.
Chick-fil-A though, watch out.
Grandma over here cooking up the biscuits. Got him over here on the pan.
Grandma's really the only one doing any work here, isn't she?
We're
And you's just monkeying around. Grandma's.
the vloggers.
The bloggers. No, we're not blogging. We're YouTubing here, Sass. Zatarans on that chicken is right, ain't it?
I ain't never tasted any chicken better than this.
Grandma view. Alright, so we got this chicken golden brown
Just the way we like it.
to perfection. Yep.
Still eating my piece.
Grandma, she's having a little taste of it there.
Hot. Be careful.
Hot, be careful.
How's it taste?
Good? She liking it?
Oh, she loving it. So why?
Mm-hmm. Putting that fish in the oil.
That sizzling tells us it's good.
Wholesome goodness. It's a little bit different way to cook it than what we normally do.
We usually cook it on the grill, or we'll do the grill outside and cook it deep fried.
Alright, then put these all in here, and then we're going to let Grandma get her potatoes out. Look at that. This is good stuff right there. Alright.
Fish update. We're flipping the fish. And let's see how this thing looks.
Oh yeah, I think that fish is about to be done here.
Woo-wee!
I think it's going to be 3 batches.
I say 2.
You say 2? That's a lot of fish. What were we thinking? Just me and you's the only one eating the fish.
Maybe Grandma.
Grandma likes the fish too.
And we have found
Is there ketchup in there?
the ketchup.
Perfect.
With ketchup
And what
too.
is our ketchup of choice?
It is the Hunt's no preservatives.
No what?
No preservatives.
No preservating. What is a preservation?
Made with vine ripe California tomatoes.
Where is our... How about preservatives? That's preservatives, that's not preservatives.
I got a little mixed up. Alright. Taking the gluten-free biscuits out of the oven. They look like a good old golden brown, and we'll see how they taste at dinner. Superman over here, checking out how everything's going. Are you really a chicken lover and a fish hater?
Yes. Blech. I like shrimp and lobster.
Has he ever tried lobster? Who knows? Papa looks like he's overpowering Catfish Country and
Chick-fil-A too?
Chick-fil-A.
2 restaurants?
Overpowered, but Chick-fil-A has good chicken biscuits.
Try it out, Sass. See what you think.
Hot
It's not too hot.
to you. This is such good fish.
You would. Oh, you gotta give me a bite of that fish.
Such good fish.
Yeah, perfect.
Can't wait to try some.
What time is it, Sass, you know?
I don't know what time it is actually. It's 4:50.
450. Where you get? That's the temperature of the oven. It's not 450. It's dark outside. Look, Sass. That is not 450. Maybe 450 in the morning, but it's not 450 in the morning either, is it?
Grandma's nice made table. We got the plates, and look, she's got some 4th of July napkins set out for us. Getting ready to eat some of that.
Is it the 4th of July though?
It's not 4th of July.
Every one of Grandma's meals has a little theme to it, doesn't it?
Yes.
Whether or not it's 4th of July, it's still, in Grandma's mind, it's the 4th of July. I think we got everything cooked, Sass. What do you think?
Yeah, I think we're ready to start eating our dinner.
There's our fish.
Got our chicken.
Chicken. I think we're ready to eat. Everybody come to the table and get your seat, and we're going to
Come on.
get Sass to bless it for us. All right, Sass, say a blessing for us.
Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for letting us have a safe travel up here. Thank you for all that you've done for us. Keep us safe. Keep Dad safe as he goes through the hurricane, and everybody else, and all our family members, and everybody who's down there in Florida. Bless this food to our bodies in your name, amen.
Good one, Sass. All right, let's dig in. We hope you enjoyed our video tonight. I'm James from Hazmore Outdoor Products.
I'm Sass.
She's from Hazmore Outdoor Products. And,
I'm Colton.
and who are you from?
Florida. Like us. It has more.
Appreciate you watching our video. Catch you on the next one.
Hit that like and subscribe.
Hit the like.
Thumbs up or peace out.